how to delete eBay account permanently. So if you want to delete your eBay account permanently, then all you have to do is first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then in the search bar, search for eBay. And here on the first search, you will have www.ebay.com. Click on that and make sure to log into your account. And after logging in the upper left corner, you will have your profile. You can simply click here and then go to your profile. And under your profile, here on the bottom side, you will have help and contact. Click on that. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here under the search bar, search for delete. And then choose closing your account. And here if you scroll down, you will find close account option. Click on that. And then you have to select a category why you are leaving. And after choosing a category, you have to select a reason. And then click here, I want to close my eBay account. And then click on submit. So now eBay has received your request to close your account. Within 24 hours, they will send you update on the status of your request, your registered email address, and as well as your eBay messages. You have to review this mail and then you can close your account. So that's it guys, that's how you delete your eBay account permanently. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.